Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are in the centre of the very sought after town of Ostuni. Now just over there in this direction here, about less than 100 metres away, is the main square of Ostuni. But what we're showing you today is a beautiful townhouse, and I wanted to start from here because this is the entrance way to the property, and something very interesting to talk about regarding this entranceway is actually the property was purchased by a very important Spanish family called the family López in the 1500s, and this family actually purchased the entire historical centre of Ostuni. So it's actually very interesting, and this was the entrance to where they were living in Ostuni. So it really does explain why it's such a beautiful grand entrance. And we do actually have the logo, and that's what they call the stemma of the Italian family just above, so you can see that what they used to have. The very important families always had that above their properties. But we are talking about a 3-bedroom property today, and it's again right in the heart of the historical centre. We will be putting in drone videos just to kind of show you where we are, because it's an incredibly strategic position. But without further ado, let's go inside. So as you can see, we've got this beautiful little protected courtyard area, and what you'll see actually down below is a beautiful antique store, one of the oldest in towns actually, and if I can show you some pictures of the inside, it's a very charming store to have. But you can see on the floors we've got all the antique stones in here, and it's just absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful entrance to your property. This is really one of the key points of this beautiful townhouse, that you have this incredible entrance. And this brings us to the actual door itself of the property, but I kind of wanted to show you this outside area first, because you've got this beautiful outside sitting area, and it's very nice and quiet in this area. If you notice, obviously it's blocked off from the traffic and from the passage of people, and it's just very peaceful, and it's very nice to have an outside space of this kind that is also in the shade, because it does actually get quite warm in the sunshine. So to have this kind of shaded area outside, and obviously you can imagine having a coffee out here, and just having that outside space in any townhouse for me is always really important. But let's start to move inside the property. Now you'll notice obviously we are talking about a property which has been fully restored. We do have parquet floors in this property, and you can see it is a large property. We're about 183 square meters of property we're showing you today. Again, that's 3 bedrooms, and it's all ready to be moved into. I mean, it doesn't need any work done to it. We do have the heating in here, that also we have the air conditioning going to be installed. So there's also pretty much everything that you would need in a property, for even if you decide to rent out the property. Now, I'm going to show you this mezzanine floor, because this is the actual first bedroom in the house. So we'll just go upstairs to show you that. And obviously I kind of also want to show you these ceilings, right? So we've got a barrel vaulted ceiling up here, and I'm not a big fan of mezzanine floors most of the time, because I feel like often you don't have the height, and you're kind of downstairs, you're kind of kneeling down, and the same thing upstairs. Here, it's actually been done very cleverly. You can see the ceilings, even if I'm reaching up in the middle here, I'm not touching, so you don't feel like you're cramped down at all. And also they've been clever about having you have the light from the main door actually coming in the property. So they've used the space very well. Obviously they've left this little balcony area so that you can get light up here, which is a massive plus. But as I say, this is a big room, tons of space back here, tons of space in front. Obviously they've got a wardrobe for storage space, but it's I think you can see a large property with all of this space. Nice to have these little features here, little shelving units kind of covered away and obviously beautifully lit up. Again, a house which is ready to be moved into. Now here we come to the first bathroom, and you can kind of again get the idea of the property here. This is a large bathroom by all means, and we are pretty much in the historical centre of Ostuni. I don't think I've ever seen a historical centre property with dual sinks. So again, tons of space, really large shower here we have as well. But again, just look how much space we have in this bathroom. So very, very nice bathroom, and that is catering to the main part of the house. This leads us through to the dining area. Again, quite rare to have a very large dining area of this kind. We do again have the mezzanine floors which continue, and upstairs we do have another bedroom. But first of all, I'd like to kind of show you through to this section here, because we do actually have a beautiful view, and I think this isn't going to be easy to open. One second, this it is. There we got the view here. We do have anti-mosquito netting on that window, so you're not going to have mosquitoes getting in. But I just want to kind of show you, obviously, the back streets of Ostuni here. This is in a very nice area and very pretty streets. Everything is kind of like a postcard around these parts. So whilst on the other side, we do actually have a really useful storage room that also has a bit of a sea view. So if you want to check the box for the sea views, it's obviously not the best of sea views, but it is there by all means. So you can definitely tick that off. You've also got the caldaya, so the boiler for the heating. So it's all kind of there. Now coming up here, just to quickly show you the second bedroom up on the other mezzanine floor. You can see here, again, they've been clever about how they've used the space and how they've actually allowed the light to kind of filter through up here, because we are actually seeing this quite late in the day and the sun is actually going down. But you can see they've got all the light coming up from the window downstairs, and this again is a really good size room, and if you didn't need the third bedroom, potentially you could turn this into an office. So lots of little details around these parts, especially when you look at these little sections here. I look at the detail on this, it's absolutely beautiful, and they're kind of all around the house. If you notice before, the mezzanine floor was not here, and this would have just been all one very large room, breaching all the way down. Again, you can see the ceilings are beautiful, even in this section here. Now coming through here, we have the final bedroom at the end, but here, just before we get through to the final bedroom, I'll show you another bathroom. Now again, very rare to find bathrooms of this kind, like this large, very large shower, fully ready to be used. You've got the bidet, and it doesn't feel cramped at all. Notice how I'm never ducking in this house. This is a property which is, I've always got tons of space, and that is a massive plus. Now here, just to mention, the radiators for the heating, so you can live in this property all year round. Now this is incredibly rare. We do actually have a walk-in closet here, so tons and tons of storage space. And I can't stress how rare this is in a property which is located in the historical centre. Do not expect this in other properties. And then finally, this is my favourite room of the house, is the master bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. Obviously here, without the mezzanine floor, you've got the full extension to the ceiling, and you can really feel the difference in that. Absolutely beautiful. You've got a nice window for light coming in as well. And it just feels very, very grand and very cozy at the same time, because obviously with the parquet floors, it is a very nice thing to have. So I think that's all we have to say about this property here. Oh, 1 second, we've actually forgotten the kitchen. Sorry about that. So coming back on ourselves, we come back through to the dinner room, and we have the kitchen. So the kitchen, how could I forget the kitchen? It's actually a really good kitchen. It's a really good size as well. And I mean, these usually kitchens, especially in the historical centres, they're little corner kitchens. Here we've got all the kind of equipment that you'd need, the cooker, really good size fridge. You've actually got an oven and a microwave integrated into the kitchen. Again, very rare to have. And you know, we've got windows up on the corner there. We've also got air conditioning units in here as well. So I think that really is everything that we have to say about the property, although my cameraman is suggesting differently. But regardless, if you guys have any more questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.